The simple things are so precious. I am grateful for the life I have and practice presence in it. Nothing is permanent. See and value relationships. Gain lightness. Live well. The qualities and the supports that helped me to heal, I have realised if I keep growing them, I am able to keep growing and provide a narrative to a statistic. To perfect imperfection, the blue before it's night. Never just imagine, without the question why. Am I any different? Less who I despise. Conscious of the small things that give the big things life. Call me unreactive. My heavy tongue is tired. When my mind is seated, my heart temple shines.